Hello, now I am going to discuss with you Junior English Book 1, page 5. Topic is verbs. Here it is written verbs are doing words. It means the word which shows action, that is called actually verbs. Like see, eating, it's a work, fishing, work, jumping, sleeping, drinking, flying, reading, washing, these are all showing work. That's why these words are verbs. Here see, if you see the picture, you will find there are some people, they are engaged in several works. Some are fishing, some are eating, some are drinking, they are jumping, he is sleeping, this man is washing his car. So they are doing work and these are actually verb. Now we will do one exercise, then this topic will be clearer for you. Here it is written, write the words that fills each gap. So let's do. The man is, what is doing? See, the man is actually washing his car. So we will write here washing. The boy is, see, the boy is what? The boy is sleeping under the tree. You can see the word from this place also, keep it remember. The spelling, if you don't know or if you feel confused, then you can see from this place here, see sleeping. So in this place we will write the boy is sleeping. The two boys are, what they are doing, we know they are fishing. So here the word is also fishing. So write in the blank fishing. The two boys are fishing. The girl is dash an apple. See, the girl is actually eating. She is eating. There is the spelling of eating from this place. You can write here the girl is eating an apple. The woman is, see, the woman is reading a book. Here it is written in this place, see, reading. So in this blank we will put the word reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. The dog is over a log. It is jumping over the log. The spelling is here jumping. So we will write here the dog is jumping. Okay. The birds are, of course, birds, what they do, say birds are flying. The spelling is here, so we will write here the birds are flying. 8 number, the cat is what? The cat is what? It is drinking. So spelling is here written drinking what? The cat is drinking milk. So in this place you will write drinking. Now we will do B number exercise. It's so easy for you. We will just add ing to each of these words. Let's start. Call, it will be calling. Draw, it will be drawing. Do, it will be doing. Try, it will be trying. Pull will be pulling. See will be seeing. Hear will be hearing. Rain will be raining. Sing will be singing. Bark will be barking. Teach will be teaching, and feel will be feeling. Okay, hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is verbs, page number 5. We will do next class, that is page number 6. Here we will find a comprehension. We'll do it in the next class. Bye for today.